Okay guys, so today this video what I'm showing you is how Jamaicans cut up a whole chicken for curry, because for one, we love our curry chicken pieces to be small, cut very small. And we love dark meat. As you know, most of you Jamaicans, well, you all Jamaicans know we have the curry chicken back. We love every part of the chicken, dark meat for curry. So I'm going to show you how we cut up a whole chicken. I started taking this out the bag. First, using your kitchen, you don't have a meat chop. You don't want a lot of this splattering everywhere. So you're going to drain the whole chicken first. I'm going to clean this up, drain the chicken, and come back. Best angle for. Okay guys, so some other equipments I have here. I have a meat cleaver. Just got this from Amazon yesterday. I got a scissors and I got a small knife. I have my chicken is not really cleaned up yet, so I have my bowl of water with vinegar right here. Ooh, this baby is sharp. Yeah. And looking at this leg right here, I don't like the feather like I think I'm seeing on there. So of course I'm gonna take the skin off. And though this chicken leg is quite small, I must say, but using the small knife to remove excessive fat and other impurities. And then here we go. Small as it looks, I still chop it in two. We like our curry chicken, like I said, small pieces. Now here's the thigh. Okay. Small knife again. I'm going to remove the skin because the thigh, the skin is always coming up like this. So I'm going to remove the skin and all the excess fat over here. See? You want to make sure your meat. Ooh, look at my wing. This wing right here is decapitated. Again, make sure you drain the water off your chicken because you don't want this chicken water splashing all over your counter of your kitchen, okay? So let me take this wing off from here. Let me check it for impurities. Sometimes you see that little yellow, you just take the small knife and just scratch on your chicken like this. Like if you're cooking the leg or the wing still has the thigh on. Look if there's any feathers. I'm just gonna cut this here, just like this. Cut the leg. Skin off, chop it in two. Taking off the back. Now, as I said in Jamaica, you know about, if you're Jamaican, you know about curry chicken back. but I tend to save this to make chicken broth, homemade chicken broth. So now we have the breast here. I'm also going to remove the skin. It's a choice, guys. You don't have to. There are times when I leave it on, other times I don't. So it's always a choice. Goodness. See this thin layer of fat here on the breast? When you're cooking chicken breast, especially the one with the bone in, you always want to look for this thin layer of fat right here. Okay, first I'm going to cut this down in the middle. And then make small pieces. Some people would even cut this smaller. Tell them to cut this like this. We really do like our curry chicken pieces to be small. And so I'm going to do that with some of them. I am not sure what is the thing behind it. I just knew it was how I was brought up, and I just learned from the people I just do what the people I learned from do. Curry goat, the same thing. We always like the curry goat to be small pieces as well, and not chunks. Okay, so again, guys, this is some water and vinegar in this bowl here, because I wanted the chicken to be dry before I chop it up. So I'm gonna season this up for curry chicken for tomorrow. Really, I just wanted to show you how we chop up a whole chicken for curry chicken. But I may just show you too, just in case you're new, how to season it up for curry chicken, okay? Okay guys, back. So that bowl the chicken was in with water was about 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. It wasn't that much to soak through the meat, to to give it the vinegar taste. So I let it sat there for a couple minutes while I clean up the chicken off the counter and whatever I used. So now we're gonna season this up. Here I have an onion sliced up. I have some bell peppers and scotch bonnet pepper. I have a little bit of my green seasoning left. I gotta make some later or tomorrow. Now this is not the spicy one, so that's why I also used scotch bonnet pepper. Let me just use this up. Make fresh one tonight. That's about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add some black pepper. We're going to add some Lawry's seasoning salt. Garlic powder. Yeah, I'm going to get a big mason jar today for my garlic powder because I only have small ones. I know it's not going to fit. So some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Now instead of adding ground allspice to curry, add some whole allspice. Smells so daggone good. And of course the main seasoning for curry powder itself. Now, although I love to get my hand in my meat and season it up, not with curry. Okay. Oh my goodness, you just always have, and some turmeric powder. Oh, I forgot the salt. Just a pinch of salt. Okay. I don't want to make a mess with this, but I'm not putting my hand in there. I don't want curry powder on my hand, and I have no gloves, no kitchen, no. I'm making sure everything is coated properly. Just like I do when I use my hands in there. Even though my nails are yellow, I just don't like curry stain. I mean, not my hands, my nails have yellow nail polish. Okay guys, so that's it. This is how you chop up Jamaican chicken. I mean, chop up a whole chicken for curry chicken, Jamaican way, and season it up. And this is gonna sit overnight until after work tomorrow for me to cook this. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you like what you see, I appreciate the support even more by if you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I don't like seeing a mess around the bowl, so clean that up. Yeah, so guys, again, let me show you up close and personal. See? Doesn't that already, you just know that's gonna be good stuff? Yep. Thanks for watching. Okay, welcome back. Let's get ready to cook our curry chicken that we seasoned up last night. To the pot here, I'm gonna add a dripping of oil. Use whatever oil you choose. To the oil, I'm going to add some more of my green seasoning, about a tablespoon. Then I am also going to add about a teaspoon of curry powder in that. I took the chicken out of the fridge enough time to get it to room temperature before cooking. So let's add the seasoned chicken to this. Why am I using this thing? cover this up. I'm going to slowly cook this on its own without any liquid for about 30 minutes. I'm going to continuously stirring it maybe every 10 minutes to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom. I will see you back in the 30 minutes time, or maybe before. Okay guys, so here is the 20-minute mark. I just want to show you. I haven't added any water yet. I just wanted to slowly cook in its own juices, yeah. And like I said, I actually stirred it more than every 10 minutes, maybe every 7 or 8. But we're at the 20-minute mark now. After 30 minutes, I will add some liquid to it. And I'll come back then, okay? So guys, we are back and we're at the 30-minute mark. Now in the bowl that the chicken was seasoning, I am adding a cup of water. Now, this is what the chicken is like. Honestly, you don't even need water. You can just slowly cook this. Just like this. Put over some good white rice. But for us Jamaicans, what's cooking curry chicken without some gravy, especially when you're serving it with white dumplings and cassava like I am. But look at that. Really? That just looks so good on its own without adding any liquid to it. Just slow cook it. Stir it constantly at the bottom, especially because curry burns. And nobody wants that burnt taste and flavor in their chicken. So now I'm going to add some carrots to this. Okay. And then I'm going to add a cup of water. And I'm going to continue slow cooking it for another half hour. Okay guys, our curry chicken is done. This has been cooking for 1 hour and 10 minutes slowly with just 1 cup of water after 30 minutes. Continue stirring so it doesn't burn at the bottom. And so this is our curry chicken, from the way Jamaicans chop up a whole chicken for curry to the cooking of the curry chicken. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I appreciate your support so much. Thank you. God bless, and you have a wonderful rest of your day, okay? Enjoy.